Mabuhay mga adobo friends! Welcome back! If you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe. Ngayon po, we are on a layover here in Toronto, Canada. We are here to see the city and the rest of Niagara Falls.
So this is breakfast. So we have VISCOUNT. The whole of Atlantis. I'm sure it's like a big gym. So we are in Niagara Falls. Niagara for 1 hour and 15 minutes. This inside the other side is Richard. This is after the Niagara Falls. I think the fire was the last and my fire is
When you get what you want, maybe I should start over.
Okay guys, let's start our journey and go on a flight to Toronto Pearson International Airport. Okay, good morning guys. So, it's the morning after when we arrived dito sa Toronto. 1 degree Celsius, lalakad tayo ngayon to go for breakfast sa expectation. Mag-interview tayo ng mga Pinoy dito sa Canada. Hi sir, gusto po kayo?
Oh,
Are you
mabuti.
Filipino?
yeah. Mabuti naman.
Mabuti naman. How long have you been here in Canada for?
Bago lang ako dito.
Sige, sama na rin natin si Kuya mamaya. Pag breakfast is close. Ay, akbayan na rin natin ito. Close na rin natin. See you later for breakfast. Guys, so this is breakfast. So we have bacon, potatoes, egg, maple syrup. Enjoy. After breakfast, we head out to Toronto Eaton Centre Mall. Ayun guys, so tapos na tayo sa breakfast. So we are at Eaton Centre. 8 o'clock pa. So bukas ang mall ng 10 o'clock. So after this, pupunta tayo na Niagara Falls. Toronto, the capital of the province of Ontario, is a major Canadian city along Lake Ontario's northwestern shore. It's a dynamic metropolis with a core of soaring skyscrapers and a lot of green spaces as well. And now let's start our road trip to Niagara Falls.
The outlet mall. It's 37 kilometers. It's about an hour. Yeah. And then from there, it's only about 40 minutes to Niagara. Yeah.
And guys, so we are on the way to outlet mall. We have my brother there, Amar from Jordan. And of course, Rashid, no, Richard. From where are you from?
From Emirates.
From UAE.
I'm from Philippines. Proud to be Pinoy.
Right. So we are in the 2019
Honda Civic.
Honda Civic
2019 Touring.
Okay. What's nice about this car? Tell us.
Should I speak in English?
Yeah, it's Taglish.
Yeah, Taglish. Yeah. What I like about it is it's fuel efficient.
Yan guys, nakikita nyo, there's even this open
Yeah, may
space.
sunroof.
Sunroof.
Yung nakuha ko is yung
Leather is nice.
nakuha ko yung Touring, yung top because wala lang, parang maganda kasi yung here in Canada kasi parang ang mindset ko is that it's better na bumili ka ng something that's
Top of the line.
top of the line kasi you're gonna use it almost for how many years, you know? And eventually you're still gonna pay for it. And at the same time, I'm using it as for Uber, for extra income.
Is it easy to get a license in Canada?
I think it depends on the person, but most
Because of course
likely
you
it's
have already
too
have your
technical.
license in the Philippines and
Yes,
also in the UAE,
I've been
correct?
driving for almost about 15 years na ako nagdadrive. So, it's a lot different syempre sa pagdadrive sa Pilipinas.
But sa UAE, you do exams and
Yes,
testing. So how about here?
In UAE, it's almost the same concept, like yung roads and stuff. Halos parehas yung the way, yung theory niya. Yung rules and regulations halos parehas din. Ang pinagkaiba lang is that parang pinag-mix yung driving sa Pilipinas and Abu Dhabi. It's almost like it's a combination of both. Because in the UAE, when you make a left turn, let's say you make a left turn here, there's a designated lane when you're turning left. And
also dito guys, also
here
left-hand
there's
driving
none.
also.
Yeah, it's a left-hand drive. That's one. But here in Canada, there are some places here na there's no designated lane for a left turn. So what you have to do is parang sa Pilipinas, like in the Philippines, wherein you have to go in the middle lane and wait for it to be free for you to make a left. And then in Abu Dhabi, there's also a designated lane when you're turning right. Here, you have to be very conscious of the signs. Kailangan aware ka because there are some traffic lights that would say no right turn on red signal. But as a general rule here, if there's no sign that says no right turn on a red signal, or there's no stop here on red, then what you have to do is you can make a right, even though if it's red.
Diba we usually complain about the traffic, tas lubak-lubak yung mga ano. So, hindi porke Canada to guys, na wala na ng traffic, may traffic din, tapos lubak-lubak din.
Ito yung parang gusto kong sabihin sa mga kababayan natin sa Pilipinas na huwag tayo masyadong magreklamo because our country has like lubak-lubak yung mga daan, sira-sira yung mga daan, tapos sobrang traffic.
It's the same in other countries guys.
There are some places here na grabe yung traffic. I've been to Jordan. Roads there are different too, right? Roads there are not like
not
that smooth, right?
And not smooth, yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Because we have
So
especially Amman, it has a lot of mountains and hills.
exactly.
So yeah.
And also the weather, you need to consider. Now we
Yan
don't
yung lesson ng story na to,
always
guys.
have to complain.
Yeah, don't complain and be happy
Yeah.
with what you have,
Exactly.
regardless wherever country you are
Yeah.
in of the moment.
Exactly.
Tama. And now let's continue our ride to Toronto Premium Outlet. Ayan guys, so nandito tayo ngayon sa Toronto Premier Market with the
Premium.
market? No. Outlet.
Outlet.
It's not a market, it's an outlet. So daan muna tayo dito before we go head to Niagara. So how do you pronounce it? Niagara?
It's spelled as Niagara, but they pronounce it as Niagara.
Niagara. So ito yung outlet guys. Yan. Ayan guys, galing kami ng Armani, tapos ito Gucci. Ito pala, hindi nyo nakita yan, Gucci shop. Ayaw namin pumasok kasi may sale. Alam mo yun. Siyempre guys, di ba kung bibili kayo ng sale, ang hirap naman sabihin nyo mahirap kami. Ang gusto namin, yung libre.
Itag natin yung sinasabi ni Miss Clara De Herrera.
Oh, hello,
What's
shout out kay
money?
Clara.
Shout out kay Miss Clara De Herrera. What's money? Paper only.
Totoo yan, what's money, paper only. When there's no paper, there's no money.
Wow. Layo.
Ayan guys, ito yung bench shop. So, apparently, the same bench shop sa Pilipinas na the company was bought by
UK.
UK.
I don't know.
So UK, kaya distributed in Asia, UK, and Canada, not still in the US. So it's the same.
Good fact.
Good fact. So, binenta muna tayo sa A&W. Wait lang, ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng A&W?
I don't know.
Hindi na alam. So, please guys, comment kayo below kung ano ba ibig sabihin ng A&W. Alam ko lang, gusto ko dito yung root beer float sa burger. So, merienda muna tayo. In order natin root beer float. Kung mga batang 90s, siguro maalala niyo yung root beer float. And we have this Beyond Meat Burger. Ano naman tong Beyond Meat Burger?
So yung Beyond Meat Burger is quite different sa vegan burger. So ang A&W, they have a vegetarian burger. Beyond Meat Burger is a company that is 100% plant-based
So, meaning?
burger patty. So, plant-based. So, yun.
But it tastes meat, so...
It tastes like beef.
Sige, subukan natin. Ayan guys, so first time kong titikim ng Beyond Meat Burger. Yan. Sabi nila, so sabi nga ni Richard kung na still tastes like beef.
It's 100% plant-based.
Yeah. Hindi nga siya lasang yung
Veggie.
parang veggie. Lasa nga siyang beef. So I think it's a healthier option than when you eat burger. Tapos mas mura pa siya, mas healthy pa siya. So we are on the way to Niagara Falls. How far is the ride?
1 hour and 15 minutes.
1 hour 15 minutes drive.
Tapos it's about, I don't know how many kilometers it is.
Anyways, we'll see you there. Guys, so we arrived in Niagara Park. Niagara. So we pay 20 Canadian dollars for parking, correct? Do we need to pay to enter also to the park?
It's public.
It's public park. Okay. So, kita tayo doon. Kita tayo sa park. Ito na guys. This is it. So this is the Niagara Park. Yan, grabe. It's a good thing po na it's a sunny day today. Maganda yung weather. Kita nyo nagko-collide yung water from there. So, ang galing kasi merong rainbow. It's very nice here. Perfect weather to actually visit Niagara. Kasi hindi masyado malamig. Tapos nga as mentioned, medyo sunny day. Tingnan pa natin, lakad pa tayo doon. So, we are here at the Niagara Falls. This is yung side na yon. The other side is, Richard, is the...
Yeah, so that's
the US side, no?
The US Falls. This is called the Horseshoe.
Ito yung horseshoe.
Yeah, the Horseshoe.
Horseshoe Falls. Ito yung part kasi horseshoe ang shape niya.
Yeah, and it's always best to have the view here in Canada. Because you have the best view. If you're at the US border or the US side, you only see this view.
Para sa information nating viewers, can they actually cross from this part of the fall to the US?
Yes, you can. If you have a US passport, you can freely cross the border over there on that bridge, crossing over that side.
Okay. So tingnan nyo naman guys kung gaano kalalim yung gaano kaginaw dyan sa waterfall na to.
Oh, and one more thing, a portion of the movie Pirates of the Caribbean was actually shot here.
Oh wow. So if you've seen Pirates of the Caribbean,
I don't know which
some of the
part.
parts of the movie was shot in this area of the falls. Yeah guys, so come visit Niagara Falls whenever you are in Toronto. And guys, so dito tayo sa Clifton Hill. Here you can see a lot of restaurants, mga theme park, tapos marami din mga iba't ibang mga Canadian and international food to eat. May bowling alley pa sila dito guys. Tapos ayan yung Ferris wheel. It's very nice actually.
Hello, Ken. How are you doing? Listen, Richard.
Without a visit to the Guinness World, it's all here. Of the circus and solve the case.
Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in my next videos. If you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe. Today we are in Toronto, Canada. We're on a layover.
Take two!
Charge. Knock knock.
Who's there?
Niagara.
Niagara Falls who?
May falls? O sige. Niagara, na falls na naman ako. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in my next videos. Salamat po.